Looking to make your home feel smarter without lifting a finger? These brilliant Amazon home gadgets solve problems you didn't even know you had, turning everyday moments into something a whole lot easier. From cleaning to organizing to quick fixes around the house, each one adds a little extra convenience to your day. All product links are in the description. Keep your kitchen countertop organized with this 360-degree rotating knife and utensil holder. Its large capacity design stores knives, chopsticks, spoons, and more, all within easy reach while saving space. The durable, rust-resistant plastic ensures long-lasting use, and the smooth rotation makes accessing your tools effortless. Sleek and compact, it fits seamlessly in any kitchen, keeping your workspace tidy and stylish while making meal prep faster and easier. Turn any space into your personal spa with this portable, foldable bathtub. It's big enough to stretch out and relax, yet folds down small for easy storage and transport. You can enjoy hot baths to melt stress or icy plunges to refresh and recover after workouts. The insulated design keeps water hot or cold longer, while the quick drain system makes cleanup a breeze. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use, it's comfort and convenience all in one. Keep your feet toasty no matter how cold it gets with this under-desk heater. Using graphene radiant heating, it warms up in just 30 seconds and spreads heat evenly around your feet and legs. The detachable heated floor mat and digital display make adjusting temperature and timer simple, while the foldable design and storage bag keep things neat. It's energy efficient, quiet, and safe, perfect for work or home. You'll stay cozy without the extra heating bills or noise. Stay cool and brighten any room with this smart ceiling fan. The remote lets you control fan speed, light brightness, and even color temperature, so you get exactly the mood you want. The slim, low-profile design fits tight spaces, while quiet ABS blades keep the airflow gentle and peaceful. It's also waterproof and dust-resistant, perfect for patios or small rooms. Who knew a cup holder could be this fun? This little turtle comes to life when you place your mug on it, its limbs lift, and the face shows a funny expression. Made from durable, heat-resistant plastic, it protects your furniture while adding a playful touch. Each turtle has a colorful, textured shell that makes it pop on any table. You even get to assemble it yourself, turning it into a cute DIY project or a quirky gift. Getting ready feels way more fun with this Hollywood-style vanity mirror. The bright bulbs wrap around the frame to give you clear, even lighting, and you can switch between 3 tones depending on the look you're going for. There's even built-in Bluetooth, so you can play music or take a call without stopping your routine. The large frame makes it great for makeup or outfit checks, and the side USB port keeps your devices powered while you get ready. Bring the galaxy right into your room with this starry sky projector. It fills your ceiling with colorful nebulae and twinkling stars that you can adjust with a simple app or voice command. You can set timers, change colors, and switch between 4 dreamy scenes to match your mood. The quiet operation keeps your space peaceful while the lights dance around. Here's a sink that makes your whole kitchen feel upgraded the second you use it. The deep basin gives you room for stacks of pots and bowls, and the nano-coated stainless steel keeps water spots, stains, and oil from sticking. You get smooth drainage, built-in sound dampening, and an overflow system that keeps the counter dry. The pull-out faucet and waterfall feature make rinsing fast and satisfying. Plus, you can install it however your space works best. Laundry gets a whole lot easier with this compact portable dryer. You can pop it anywhere, an apartment, a dorm, even an RV, and it's ready to go. The smart sensor figures out how long your clothes actually need, so you're not guessing or waiting around. 7 simple modes handle everything from baby items to shoes. With powerful airflow that freshens and dries fast, you get clean-feeling clothes without the hassle. Feeding time gets a whole lot smarter with this automatic cat feeder. It opens only when it senses the tag on your cat's collar, making sure the right kitty gets the right meal every time. No more food stealing or wrong diets. You can track who ate, when, and how much straight from your phone, and set schedules that fit your routine. The sealed design keeps kibble fresh, and all the key parts come apart for easy cleaning. Here's a fort your kids can build faster than they can say, "Let's play!" This inflatable playhouse pops to life in under half a minute, giving them a huge, airy space to crawl into. You just attach it to a simple fan, and it fills up on its own. No blankets, no pillows, no collapsing walls. It's roomy enough for friends, games, and endless imagination. When playtime's over, it folds down flat and packs away in seconds. Those hard-to-reach spots don't stand a chance anymore. This bendable brush slips into gaps around your stove, sink, and faucet where regular tools can't even fit. You can shape it however you need, and the firm bristles scrub away grime that's been hiding for ages. It's great for corners, tight edges, and narrow spaces you normally ignore. You'll love how much cleaner everything looks once you finally reach every little crevice. Want your room to feel instantly more alive? This standing lamp gives you 3 rotating lights you can point anywhere, so you can brighten a wall, spotlight a corner, or create a soft glow behind you. You get tons of color options, smooth effects, and preset scenes that shift the whole mood with a tap. It even syncs to your music, reacting to the beat for a fun, immersive vibe. Your nightstand just got a serious upgrade. This clever little lamp gives you soft, dimmable light with a simple touch, so you never have to hunt for a switch in the dark again. You can charge your phone wirelessly while you sleep, and the built-in speaker lets you play your favorite music or relax with calming sounds. You can even adjust the light bar to hold your phone for movies or calls. It's a handy all-in-one companion that keeps your whole bedside setup neat and easy. Bad hair days don't stand a chance with this one. This straightening brush glides through your hair like a regular comb, but smooths everything in a single pass. The heated teeth warm each strand evenly, giving you that sleek blowout look without spending forever in front of the mirror. You can pick the right temperature for your hair type, and it heats up fast so you're not waiting around. Plus, the anti-scald design keeps your hands safe while you style. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this handheld steamer. Its extra-large sole plate and powerful steam smooth clothes in seconds, whether you're steaming vertically or ironing flat. The detachable water tank makes refills easy, and leak-proof tech keeps everything safe. Auto-off adds peace of mind, while the compact design lets you hang it for storage. Fast, simple, and perfect for keeping clothes fresh anytime. Bring the ocean indoors with this mesmerizing Jellyfish Lamp. Its soft, colorful glow and swaying tentacles create a calming, underwater vibe anywhere you place it. You can let it float automatically or dance to your favorite music with sound-activated mode. Rechargeable and portable, it works as a nightlight, desk lamp, or mood booster. Just touch, watch, and enjoy the gentle, hypnotic movement. If you're dealing with soreness after an injury or recovery, this cold therapy system brings steady relief without the hassle of swapping ice packs all day. It circulates chilled water through a soft compression pad that wraps around your knee, shoulder, or hip for consistent comfort. The insulated bucket keeps the cold going for hours, while the quiet motor makes it easy to rest without distraction. Here's a sleek glass cooker designed for anyone who wants lighter, fluffier rice without extra steps. It boils away excess starch and then lifts the basket on its own, so everything stays clean and simple. You can also use it as a mini hot pot or steamer when you're not making rice. The clear bowl makes it easy to see your food as it cooks, giving your counter a modern upgrade. If you like reading hands-free, this little page-turning remote makes it effortless. Clip the sensor to your e-reader or tablet, tap the button, and your book moves forward without you touching the screen. It's great for nighttime reading, long sessions, or propping your device on a stand. Plus, it doubles as a remote for taking photos and videos, making it surprisingly useful outside of reading too. Here's a fun twist for your next backyard hangout: an inflatable pool shaped like a sofa. It gives you that cozy lounge vibe while still letting you cool off in the water. Just inflate it, fill it, and you've basically created a mini chill zone for summer days. It's great for parties, relaxing with friends, or giving kids a playful space to splash around without taking up much room. If you've ever tried composting and quit because the mixing was too much work, this outdoor tumbler changes everything. It has 2 chambers, so one batch can rest while you add new scraps to the other. Just give it a spin and the airflow does the rest. It breaks down clumps, speeds up the process, and keeps things tidy. A simple way to turn kitchen waste into garden gold. Meet the robot that cleans like it's alive. This smart vacuum doesn't just roll around. It actually picks things up with a tiny mechanical arm so you don't have to tidy first. It sees obstacles, moves them gently, and then goes back to clean the spot it missed. It vacuums, mops with hot water, and keeps its own docks spotless. You just press start and watch your floors stay perfect on their own. If your pantry feels like a guessing game, this rotating grain dispenser brings instant order. It splits your dry foods into 4 sections and spins so you can grab exactly what you need. Rice, beans, snacks, pet food, everything gets its own place. You just twist, pour, and go. The included cup makes scooping and washing super easy, keeping your kitchen neat without any effort. You know that moment when you swear you'll stay organized, then forget what's inside every drawer? This little label maker fixes that. It connects to your phone, lets you pick from tons of fonts and icons, and prints clean, smudge-free labels without using any ink. You can tag school supplies, kitchen containers, cables, anything you want. It's tiny, fast, and super handy for everyday organization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.